In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable biometrics in the Monzo app for added security. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives, what it does, and how it affects both opening the app and approving certain payments. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone, make sure you're signed in and everything is loaded on the home screen. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that first for the smoothest experience. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This takes you to your account area where you can access all of your personal and security settings. From here, select Settings. You'll recognize it by the small cog icon. The settings area is where Monzo keeps controls for notifications, privacy, security, and more. Now go to Privacy and Security. This section groups together options that help you manage how your data is protected and how you sign in or approve actions in the app. Find the option labeled Use Biometrics, sometimes shown as Fingerprint ID depending on your device. Toggle this on to enable biometrics, or toggle it off to disable them. When you turn it on, the app will use your phone's built-in biometric method, Face ID, Touch ID, or your fingerprint sensor to confirm it's really you. When you turn it off, you'll rely on your app passcode or your device's passcode instead. It's important to know that this single setting controls both app access and payment authorization. With biometrics enabled, you'll typically be asked to scan your face or fingerprint when you open the app or when you approve certain payments. This adds an extra layer of protection so that even if someone can access your phone, they can't easily get into your banking app or confirm a transaction without your biometric. A few tips to keep in mind. If your phone doesn't have biometrics set up yet, your device may prompt you to configure Face ID or a fingerprint before Monzo can use it. If biometric recognition fails, you'll usually get a chance to try again, or you can fall back to your passcode. Also, remember that if multiple fingerprints or faces are registered on your device, anyone with a saved biometric could unlock the app, so only add people you trust. That's it. Open Monzo, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and toggle Use Biometrics on or off. Adjust it anytime to match your comfort level with security and convenience. Thanks for watching, and take a moment now to choose the setting that works best for you.